Hi everyone, welcome to Home Network's DIY Studio. Today we're helping an aspiring entrepreneur take their side hustle to the next level.
That's right, turning a passion into a full-time business isn't easy, but with the right plan, it's absolutely possible.
Meet Olga Valentin, founder of Mini Jetsetter. You've built something incredible here, so please tell us how this all started.
So I started Mini Jetsetter because I didn't want travel to end when I hit kids, but I couldn't find a relatable voice to kind of share the experience and make it easier for parents. So I shared a reel about a travel kit that I made for my son. The reel went viral, and then people just started asking me where they can buy it. 2 years later, I have a full line of travel toys and over 100,000 followers on Instagram.
Your passion is clear, but let's talk about what's next. Scaling up means having a solid blueprint. Step one, building a strong foundation. So who's your target customer and what's your long-term goal?
So I create for families who love to travel but want less chaos. My goal with Mini Jetsetter is to become the go-to brand for kid-friendly travel, expanding product line, destination brands, stuff, and more.
Speaking of growth, pricing is crucial. You need to cover costs and you need to make a profit. So let's find that sweet spot.
Content is what drives the majority of my sales, and I've built a really engaged audience online. The challenge going forward is how do I scale that visibility?
And you can't sell what people don't know about, so smart branding and marketing will help you stand out. So now let's break down the cost. So understanding what it really takes to scale. So materials, marketing, operations, these are all key to sustainable growth. Now, what has been one of your biggest challenges?
Inventory is my biggest challenge. It takes me months to order product, and with growing demand, that long lead time makes it really tricky to forecast.
Growing a business takes more than passion. It takes a plan, the right tools, and a partner who gets what it means to dream big.
And that's where RBC comes in. Whether you're launching something new or scaling up, they've built resources designed to help entrepreneurs like you grow with confidence.
From smart planning tools like the Business Plan Builder and Startup Cost Calculator to expert connections and marketing tips, RBC is there to help you turn ideas into impact every step of the way.
You've got the skills and the drive, and now you have the plan. So it's time to make this business thrive.
We can't wait to see where you take this. And if you're out there with a dream, remember, every big business started as a small idea. Now go build it.
Well, thank you for watching, everyone. And thank you, Olga. We'll see you next time on Home Network's DIY Studio, presented in part by RBC.
Your ideas happen here.